You want to make money online? Everyone does. It's the dream, right? Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and logging into your laptop to see your earnings grow. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Passive income, being your own boss. The freedom to work from anywhere in the world, whether it's a cozy cafe or the comfort of your own home. But most opportunities are BS. They promise the world but deliver nothing but frustration and wasted time. Let me tell you about something real: domain flipping. It's a genuine way to make money online. Domain flipping is like real estate, but instead of houses, it's digital addresses, those .com things. Think of it as buying and selling virtual property. You buy low, sell high. The key is to find undervalued domains and sell them for a profit. Simple concept, but it takes hustle, just like any business. You need to put in the hours, research, and effort. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about understanding value. You need to know what makes a domain valuable and how to spot opportunities. It's about seeing potential where others don't. It's about having the vision to recognize a good deal when you see one. And it's about taking action. You can't just sit back and wait for opportunities to come to you. You have to go out and find them. Are you ready to put in the work? Are you ready to dive into the world of domain flipping and make it your own? Are you ready to learn? Then let's get started. Together, we'll explore the ins and outs of domain flipping and how you can turn it into a profitable venture. First things first, you gotta understand the game. It's not just about buying and selling, it's about strategy, timing, and knowing the market. Buying domain names is easy, but finding the right ones, that's where the challenge lies. Tons of websites out there. GoDaddy, Namecheap, you name it. Each has its own set of tools and features to help you in your quest. Look for expired domains, undervalued names, stuff with potential. These are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Now selling, that's the art. It's about more than just listing a domain. It's about marketing and negotiation. You need to find the right buyer. Someone who not only needs the domain but sees its true value. Someone who sees the value in what you're selling. This could be a startup, an established business, or an individual investor. Platforms like Flippa, Cedo, or even just reaching out directly. Each platform has its own audience and advantages. Don't be afraid to negotiate, this is business. The first offer is rarely the best offer. You want the best price, but be realistic. Know the market value and be prepared to justify your asking price. A small profit is better than no profit. Sometimes it's better to take a modest gain and move on to the next opportunity. Remember, this is a volume game. The more domains you have in your portfolio, the better your chances of making a sale. The more domains you flip, the more money you make. It's a numbers game and persistence pays off. So, get out there and start hunting. The domain market is full of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the effort. Here's the secret sauce, my friends: picking the right domains. Forget about your own name or some random idea. Think about brands, businesses, trends, short, memorable names. Easy to spell, easy to pronounce. That's what people want. Think about keywords. What are people searching for? Look at domain extensions beyond .com, io.co shop. These can be gold mines. Less competition, more opportunity. Don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box. The best domain names are the ones nobody else thought of. Section 4. Marketing and selling your digital assets. You got the domain. Congratulations. Now the real work begins. Now you gotta move it. This means making it appealing and accessible to potential buyers. First, make it look pretty. A well-designed domain can attract more interest. Set up a basic landing page. Showcase the potential. Highlight what makes your domain unique and valuable. List your domain on multiple platforms. Cast a wide net. The more places it's visible, the higher the chances of finding a buyer. You never know who's looking. Use social media, engage with potential buyers, highlight the benefits, share posts, join groups, and participate in discussions. What makes this domain special? Is it the name, the potential for branding, or the niche it targets? Why should someone buy it? Provide clear, compelling reasons. Don't just list features, sell the dream. Paint a picture of what the buyer can achieve with this domain. Be patient. It might take time to find the right buyer. The process requires persistence and patience. But if you've done your research and priced it right, it will sell. Celebrate your success and start planning your next move. Section 5. The income potential of domain flipping. Listen, I'm not going to promise you millions overnight. This isn't a lottery ticket, but with hard work, dedication, you can make serious bank. Some domains sell for thousands. some for even more. It's all about finding the right buyer and negotiating the right deal. Plus, it's a low-cost business to start. You don't need inventory, employees, or a fancy office, just a laptop and an internet connection. And the best part, it's scalable. The more you learn, the more you earn. You can build a real business flipping domains. Section 6. Take action today. Your journey to domain name profits. So, you've heard the secrets. You know the potential. Now what? You gonna sit there and dream? Or are you gonna take action? Stop making excuses. Stop saying tomorrow. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Get out there, learn the ropes, and start flipping domains. The world of online business is waiting for you. Are you ready to conquer it?